In this video, let's unbox Cuktech brand's USB fan. I bought this fan from AliExpress. Check the link in video description. It comes in a simple box packaging. It comes in two colors, black and white. I bought the white color variant. This fan doesn't have inbuilt battery. This fan is mainly useful for using it with a portable power bank. This fan sucks in air from one side and blows out air through other side. This fan has 3 levels of airflow output. Second level is the most convenient one for most of the scenarios. Third level is a bit noisy, and can be used for extraordinary scenarios.